Now is our Burukan Kakatu. Son name is Kakatu Amolosensis. These birds can be found in eastern Indonesia and are the largest among the white Kakatus.
We just wait for it. Because the sound will be on me. Let's see
Let's go, Choco. There you go. The chorus play start and round of applause for Choco with trainer Jerry. Hello everyone and welcome to Manila Ocean Park All-Star Red Show with me, Trainer Jean. Now, here's an outline that I will hide under one of these three silver cups. So we're going to put the subject on your left, on your right, or in the middle. Which side? Left, right, or middle? Okay, let's put it right here. Host any song. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, and rambutan. And they also love corn. Now guys, do you think doesn't have the ability to find the seeded object? Well, let me guess, to say, you can do it, doesn't? Doesn't find the hidden object for us. And she got it! Ano was for Dazzle? With trainer Edgy. Now our next featured birds are just like any married couple. Monogamous meaning they will be mates or partner for life. With romantic, right? But as any couple will test in a relationship, they will always be together. Meet Sassy and Rocky are with the pair of Junior Magwab, and today they will battle it out to see who's the best in the basketball league. But before starts battle, I invite you, it's this.